Sub number 9. National Trading Company Meerut UP made the supply of the following goods and service to Samrat Traders Noida. Find the total amount of bill if the rate of GST is 12%. So it is the same state, Uttar Pradesh and both. Quantity, it's given MRP plus per piece and discount percentage. We will write it as quantity, number of pieces, MRP per piece, discount percentage. So total MRP will be MRP per piece into quantity, that is 225 into 20, 4500, 320 into 30, 9600, 300 into 12, 3600, 250 into 40 is 10,000. Okay, now discount percent. So 40% of 4,500, 40% of 4,500 is 1,800. MRP minus discounted price is equals to selling price. 4,500 minus 1,800 is equals to 2,700. Same for second. 30% of 9,600. So 30 upon 100 into 9,600 is 2,880. MRP minus discounted price is equals to selling price. 9,600 minus 2,880 is 6,720 selling price. Okay. 50%. So 50 upon 100 into 3,600 is 1,800. 1,008 discounted price. 3,600 minus 1,800 is 1,800 selling price. The last row, 40%. So of 10,000. 40 upon 100 into 10,000 is 4,000. 100 minus 4,000 is 6,000. So selling price is 6,000. Now we will calculate SGST and CGST. 6% each. So first row, 6 of 2,700. 6% of 2,700 is 6 upon 100 into 2,700, that is 162. 6% of 6,720. 6 upon 100 into 6,720 is 403.2. Third one, 6 upon 100 into 1,800 is 108. 6 upon 100 into 6,000 is 360. So write in CGST column and SGST column and add. Amount of bill is selling price, total selling price plus CGST plus SGST. 17,220 plus 1,333.20. 1,033.20 total is 19,286.40. Sub number 10. Ram Trader Delhi provided the following services to Geeta Trading Company in Agra, UP. Find the amount of bill. So number of services given, cost of each service and GST for each service is given. We will write it as number of services, cost of each service, okay, so and GST percentage here. First we will find MRP, that is number of service into the cost. So 680 into 8, 5440. 320 into 12, 3840. 260 into 10, 2600. 420 into 16, 6720, and total we will add. Okay, GST is same as will be IGST because Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. So only IGST we will find. So for first 5% of 5440 is 272. 12 12% of 3840 is 460.80. 18% of 2600 is 468. 12% of 6720 is 806.4. We will write total and do the addition. Amount of bill is total selling price plus IGST, that is 18,600 plus 2007.20, that is 20,607.2. Sum number 11. For the following, find the amount of bill data. Rate per piece is given, number of pieces, discount percentage and GST percentage. We will write rate per piece, number of pieces and discount percentage and GST percentage here. So total MRP will be 360 into 18, 6480. 10% discount, so 10 of 6480 is 648. MRP minus discounted price is selling price, that is 5832. Okay. 20% of MRP 5760 is 1152. Okay, MRP 5760 minus discounted price is equals to 4608 is selling price. 5% of MRP 1440 is 72. MRP 1440 minus 72 is 1368 selling price. 20% of 4200 is 840. 4200 minus 840 is equals to 3360. Now we will calculate GST of each row. First is 12% of 5832 is 699.84. 18% of 4608 is 829.44. 12% of 1368 is 164.16. 28% of 3360 is 940.80, and we will add total GST. Amount of bill is total selling price plus GST, that is 15,168 plus 2,634.24 is equals to rupees 17,802.24. Sum number 12. The tax invoice of a telecom service in Meerut shows cost of services provided by it on rupees 750. If the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of bill. GST is equals to 18% of 750, that is 18 upon 100 into 750, that is 135. Therefore, total amount of bill will be 750 plus 135 is equals to rupees 885. Sum number 13. Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. Find the total annual premium paid by him for this policy. Rate of GST is 18%. Okay. Solution. Let the annual premium paid by Mr. Pankaj be rupees X. Therefore, SGST plus CGST is 18% of X. That is 18 upon 100 into X. is equals to 1800, because 900 plus 900, 1800. Okay, cross multiply. X is equals to 1800 into 100 upon 18. X is equals to 10,000. Annual premium paid rupees 10,000. Sum number 14. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days at the rate of rupees 5,000 per day. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. Hotel provided an extra bed charging rupees 1,000 per day for the bed. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill of Mr. Malik for both the days? Amount of bill: 5,000 for 2 days plus 10,000 for 2 days. That is, total is rupees 12,000. GST 20%, 28% of 12,000 is 28 upon 100 into 12,000. That is 3,360. GST charged by Mr. Malik is rupees 3,360. Sum number 15. Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As the ticket for rupees 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket for rupees 120 of upper class. How much extra GST did he pay for the ticket? GST for a ticket below rupees 100 is 18%. GST for a ticket above 100 is 28%. So first we will find GST on ticket of rupees 80. So 18% of 80, 18 upon 100 into 80 is 14 rupees 0.40 paise. GST on ticket of rupees 120, which is 28% of 120, 28 upon 100 into 120, that is rupees 33.60. Difference between both GST, 33.60 minus 1440 is 19.20. Mr. Ashraf paid rupees 19.20 extra as GST on his ticket.